Wearing a bow tie is a great way to add character to your style. Just as formal as a necktie, it has become rare in today's modern world. Now, the bow tie is often considered intimidating to tie. The goal of this video is to change that. Here is how you easily tie a bow tie. Drape the bow tie over your neck, making one end slightly longer than the other. Cross the long end over the short end, and then bring it under and through the hole, pulling it tight. Then fold the shorter end and bring it over. Take the longer end and bring it down over the top. Take the two ends of the bow and hold them together. You should see a hole. It's formed in the back. You are now going to take the end that's hanging down, fold it, and put it through the hole. You are now left with what looks like a messy bow tie, but that's okay, we're not done. Now pull the folded ends in the front and back to tighten the knot, then pull the non-folded ends to loosen. Keep going back and forth until you are satisfied with the look. An important note, a self-tied bow tie will never be perfectly symmetrical. That is part of its charm. Be sure to check out the article and infographic for detailed step-by-step instructions on tying a bow tie.